Identifying new target markets and opportunities for growth in the architecture industry requires a proactive and strategic approach. Here are some steps to help you in the process. Welcome to our channel, a community and platform for architects and designers to grow freely and easily. 1. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify emerging trends, demographic shifts, and economic developments. Stay updated on industry reports, publications, and market analyses specific to the architecture sector. Understand the needs and preferences of potential clients in different market segments.
2. Client needs analysis. Analyze the evolving needs of existing clients and identify any untapped opportunities within your current client base. Seek feedback, conduct surveys, and engage in conversations to understand their pain points, challenges, and future requirements. This can provide insights into potential areas of growth and additional services you can offer.
3. Industry networking. Attend industry conferences, seminars, and networking events to connect with professionals from related fields. Collaborate with contractors, engineers, interior designers, and developers to identify potential joint ventures or collaborative projects. Their expertise and network can provide valuable insights into emerging markets and growth opportunities.
4. Stay abreast of technology. Keep up with technological advancements that impact the architecture industry, such as building information modeling, virtual reality, and sustainable design practices. Understanding and incorporating these technologies into your services can give you a competitive edge and open doors to new markets, such as digital visualization or green building projects.
5. Demographic analysis. Analyze demographic shifts and population trends in different regions. Consider factors like population growth, urbanization, and age demographics. This analysis can help you identify regions or cities where there is a demand for specific types of architecture, such as retirement communities, mixed-use developments, or affordable housing.
6. Local and global economic factors. Evaluate local and global economic factors that influence the architecture industry. Look for regions experiencing economic growth, infrastructure development, or government initiatives that promote construction and urban planning. These areas may present opportunities for expansion and diversification.
7. Niche specializations. Identify specialized niches within the architecture industry that align with your expertise or interests. Examples include sustainable design, healthcare facilities, cultural institutions, or educational campuses. Developing a niche specialization can differentiate you from competitors and attract clients seeking specialized services.
8. Client segmentation. Segment your target audience based on specific criteria, such as industry sectors, project types, or client profiles. By understanding the unique needs and preferences of different client segments, you can tailor your marketing strategies and service offerings to effectively target those markets.
9. Target new demographics or market segments. Identify new demographics or market segments that have a demand for architectural services. For example, consider targeting startups in co-working spaces, eco-conscious clients, or the emerging market of smart homes and technology-driven architecture.
10. Online presence and social media. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active engagement on social media platforms. Use these channels to showcase your portfolio, share industry insights, and connect with potential clients. Monitor online discussions and trends to identify emerging needs and market gaps.
11. Collaborate with professionals in related industries. Forge strategic partnerships with professionals in related industries, such as real estate, construction, interior design, or engineering. By working together, you can cross-refer clients, offer integrated services, and tap into each other's networks for potential growth opportunities. 12. Industry associations and trade shows. Join industry associations and participate in trade shows specific to the architecture and construction sectors. These platforms provide networking opportunities, industry insights, and potential collaborations. Stay connected with peers and industry leaders to identify new market trends and opportunities. Remember, identifying new target markets and opportunities for growth requires continuous monitoring, adaptability, and a willingness to explore new avenues. Regularly reassess your strategies, evaluate market dynamics, and be open to innovation and collaboration. By staying proactive and strategic, you can unlock new opportunities and drive growth in the architecture industry. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to return the favor by tipping us with a like and a share. As always, thanks for watching. If you would like to learn some more, hey, check out this video next.